Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check steps on iPhone, and here's how it is done. Tracking your steps with your iPhone is simple. Thanks to the built-in pedometer, start by opening the Health app, which has a white icon with a pink heart. Initially, you will land on the summary page, which displays some activity data. But for step tracking, go to the Browse tab in the bottom right corner. In the Browse tab, you will see a search bar and various health categories. Tap on Activity, then select Steps to view graph of your steps for the day. The graph displays the number of steps you have taken at different times throughout the day. Since I have mostly been home today, I haven't logged many steps. At the top of the screen, you will see D, W, M, and Y, representing day, week, month, and year. You can tap on this to view your steps over various time periods. For instance, tap W for weekly steps, M for monthly, or Y for yearly. Each bar in the graph represents a different time period, and you can tap them for more details. At the top, there is also an average daily step count for each time period, making it easy to track your activity over time. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.